Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many Android users want to change the look of their app icons. Some people want round icons, while others prefer square or different shapes. If you are bored with the default icon design, do not worry. I will show you how to change app icon shape on your Android phone step by step. First, open Settings on your phone. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Type Wallpaper and Style. Tap on the result when it appears. Next, tap on Home Screen. Now look for the option that says Icon Style or Icons. Tap on it. Here you will see different icon designs. You can select circle, square, star type, or other available shapes. Tap on the icon design you like. The change will apply instantly. That is how you change app icon shape on your Android phone. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android tips and customization tutorials.